Lovely morning, lovely afternoon, or lovely evening. I'm sure you love English. Because of your love to English language, you're watching this video and watching and scouting anything that has to do with English pronunciation or grammar or vocabulary or IELTS and TOEFL or anything that seems exciting to learn about this beautiful language and any other languages. This is a short video. In our video, we will learn basic conversation. If you're an English beginner who's just starting his first steps in learning the beauty of this language, this is a very good chance. You will learn some basic pronunciation items. We will learn some 10 vocabulary. Also, we will learn the pronunciation of sequenced sentences. We will learn how to connect words in the sentence and in the sentences and see how we can stress particular words so you can sound like a native speaker. You can be a very professional English speaker. You can be fluent. You can be semi native speaker of English. I'm not a native speaker. So my attempt here is to help you and give you a made in China copy of English pronunciation practice. So please bear with me. Bear with me يعني تحملوني. Thank you so much for this beautiful dedication and keep following my videos, and your support is highly appreciated and it's really cherishing and endearing to my heart. Thank you so much for the beauty of support that you give me here. What we are going to watch is a very simplistic approach to learning pronunciation and certain vocabulary. I'm shooting for 10 to 15 vocabulary limits because that's going to be enough for one day. Of course, the pronunciation lesson here is about two people talking to each other. But the idea is simple, but the lesson is important. It helps you get a chance to listen to me. If you're listening right now to me, you're practicing active listening. You're just stimulating your mind to learn more. You're just loading your ears with enough language input to help you speak English better. And that's the goal. Trust me. You're just improving yourself directly and indirectly, consciously and subconsciously. You're exposing yourself to a variety of sources for your goal to learn English and become an active English speaker. You can be professional English speaker. So I hope I'm not disappointing you if I'm saying that it's really hard to be a native speaker. You need to be born and you need to be born in a native country that speaks English, and you need to be 10 years old or younger in order to start the process of acquisition, not the process of learning. But there is controversy here. Some people say more, some people say less. And we have certain experiments that have been conducted previously to prove or disprove that. Anyways, this is not our goal. This is not our purpose of this lesson. Our beautiful lesson is to teach you basic conversation in English and focus on pronunciation. So thank you so much for your patience and keeping up by doing this kind of practice. And let's jump to the lesson.
Formal greetings. James. Good morning, Professor Austin. How are you doing? Professor Austin. Good morning, James. I'm doing well. I'm doing well. I'm doing well. And you? And you? And you? Good morning, James. I'm doing well. And you? Good morning, James. I'm doing well. And you? Good morning, James. I'm doing well. And you? What I want you to repeat after me. This is practical mechanical pronunciation. هذا تدريب على اللفظ. فأريدك تسمع وتكرر بعدي. تدريب ميكانيكي. هذا يزيد إمكانيتك على اللفظ، يزيد النضوج مال مخارج الأصوات. هذا مو أنه شي قاعدة تيجي تتعلمها وينتهي الموضوع. لا، هذا كل ما زادت كمية التدريب، كل ما زادت quantity كان أفضل. خلي هذا ببالك. نيجي على جيمس يقول له I'm great, thank you. This is my friend Emma. She's thinking about applying to this college. I'm great, thank you. This is my friend Emma. She's thinking about applying to the college. I'm great, thank you. This is my friend Emma. She's thinking about applying to this college. لا تلفظ هذا الجيل بلا-ing نهائيا. لا تلفظه. نصيحة حتى يكون عندك سلاسة باللفظ أكثر، حتى تبدي تقمز على الكلمات بطريقة راقصة جميلة تنسيقية تكون غاية في الروعة وتكون كلش قريب من النيتيف سبيكر. وهي واحد من أسرار اللفظ الجيد، أنه تتلافى الأصوات اللي تسبب لك إعاقة وتوقف. مثلا She has a few questions. Would you mind telling us about the process, please? Professor Austin. Hello, Emma. It's a pleasure to meet you. I'm more than happy to speak with you. Please stop by my office next week. Stop by. زوريني. مري على الoffice. Emma, it's a pleasure to meet you, Professor. Thank you so much for helping us. It's a pleasure to meet you, Professor. Thank you so much for helping us, Professor Austin. Don't mention it. ما أقولها don't mention it. Hopefully, I will be able to answer your questions. I will be able to answer your questions. Hopefully, I will be able to answer your questions. احنا ما نريد كلام روبوتي، ما بي الكلام مثل القلب، نابض صاعد نازل، مثل الجهاز الطبي اللي موجود بالمستشفيات. إذا تسمع بيب يعني الهيكل الجسم ميت. لا، اللغة عبارة عن أحاسيس، عبارة عن مشاعر، عبارة عن كتلة تنبض بالحياة. لهذا لازم احنا نضخ لها كمية مشاعر، كمية أحاسيس، حتى تتمكن من إعطاء الانطباع الجيد للناس. من أقول لك أول ما ألتقي بيك good morning شيء رسمي ممل، بينما إذا أقول لك اسمعني good morning Professor Austin، هذا رأسا ينطيك positive energy محتاجيها. spread positive energy. Good morning Professor Austin, how are you doing? Good morning James, I'm doing well, and you? I'm great, thank you. This is my friend Emma. She's thinking about applying to this college. She's a few questions. Would you mind telling us about the process, please? Hello, Emma. It's a pleasure to meet you. I'm more than happy to speak with you. Please stop by my office next week. It's a pleasure to meet you, Professor. Thank you so much for helping us. Don't mention it. Hopefully, I will be able to answer your questions. Thank you so much. مدرب اللغة وليد خالد.